In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can claim a custom domain and then install WordPress against that custom domain in Hostinger. So the process is very straightforward. So let's get started. If we log into our Hostinger account and go to the domains section, so here you will not see any subdomain option here, and on the domain portfolio you will see only a list of all the available domains here which you have purchased and available in your portfolio, but you will not see any subdomain option here either. So if you want to create a subdomain on Hostinger, you will need to go towards the websites section, and on the all websites you will see a list of all the websites you have created on your hosting. So in order to claim a domain, I'm gonna claim a subdomain against this domain. I will go to the dashboard, and here you will see the performance and all the data this website is containing and all the space this website is occupying, but we do not need this section. Check the left sidebar, you will see domains section here, so click on it, and over here if I click on domains, you will see there is a subdomain section here, and here is this subdomain we can claim against this domain. So create a new subdomain. Let's give it a name as demo. So it is just for the video. I will delete it after the completion of this website. You can also create a separate folder for this subdomain, but I will keep it as it is, and then I will click on create, and subdomain created successfully. So this is our subdomain, and here it is its directory as well, but we need to install WordPress against it in order to use it. If I go to the home page, you will see our subdomain is here, but it is in the development mode. There is no WordPress installed here, it is not opening either. So go to the dashboard, and now we will have to install WordPress against this subdomain so we can use it. It is our parent domain, we do not need to open it, but we need to here is the list of all the domains you have, but I will minimize it, I will not find it here. I will go towards the WordPress over here, and on the overview you will see this is the main domain. I will choose the subdomain, and here if I wait for a moment, you will see install WordPress button is here, so I will click on install, and it will start installing WordPress against our subdomain. It will take a few moments. So after that I will have to fill these details. So I will have to give the title to this website, and then select email address and password and username for this website. Then click on next, and keep everything same as it is. You do not need to mess with anything here. Click on install, and it will start installing WordPress against this domain. So after a few minutes, WordPress is installed against this domain. You can see update info, leave it. You can see the WordPress admin here. So now you can log into the back end of your website, and you can use WordPress. You can see it has started loading our WordPress backend. Also, if I return back to the Hostinger, you can see this is the same domain, and you can see this is the same subdomain we have just created and installed WordPress against. So in this way you can create a subdomain and then install a WordPress against that subdomain. So if this video helps you to learn something new, make sure to subscribe to this channel, and share this video with your friends. And if you are watching on TikTok, Facebook or Instagram, make sure to follow the profile. Thank you very much.